Hello and welcome to the Curiosity Show. Sometimes you want to send a secret message. You can do it with invisible inks, or you can do it with code. Or you can use this method. Have a look. Take a clear or white crayon or candle and rub it all over the back of a piece of paper. And in so doing, you're turning that really into clear carbon paper, so that you can put the candle to one side, put the carbon paper waxy side down onto another piece of paper, and then with a hard pen or pencil, write your message. I can do a little face and the word hi. Right, that's my message. Now, of course, that's very obvious to read, so I take that carbon paper, screw it up, and get rid of it. That's what's left, a completely blank piece of paper, but on it is a wax message. How do I show it? With a piece of water or a bit of water-based ink or paint. As I paint that on there, it grabs the paper, but it's repelled by the wax. And there's my message, as clear as you want it.